everyone, so today I'm going to be doing another unboxing video. I know it's been a while since I've done the previous one, but these are the packages that I received from the brands and I can't wait to see what I got. So let's begin. Let's start off with this Laura Mercier box. They always send me stuff and I'm so happy. So here's the box. So these are their new long wear lip liner right here. I'm such a fan of Laura Mercier. I've been using them for a while now, ever since I started using their translucent powder. So we have the translucent loose powder here. This is my favorite. And then we have their blush infusion lip liners. Look at that. Ooh. So this one is peach. Peach complements any skin color. So this is the Rose Rouge, and let's see the color. And it's definitely fuchsia. So can you see the difference? And this one is the Rose, the long-lasting lip liner. Because I love, this is really pretty. The color is more natural and I love that natural look. Look how intense. Let's see how intense the colors are on here. Like the phases of the moon. I'm such a fan of their brand, I swear. So let's open this beauty. You would say I gave up way too soon. One thing I like about it is it glides onto your lids so easily. I'm just gonna show you the colors that I received. So I have all this. Sunrise will be my favorite among this. Addiction. It is very moisturizing. My last Laura Mercier box. So that's it for my Laura Mercier box. Let's move on to my Charlotte Tilbury. No way. Oh, are you serious? Pink umbrella and my Gucci. This is the best. Yeah. So this is their dry sheet mask. Look at that. So now we're gonna move on to clothes. Drinks got me up on the scene. Now we breaking and things. When we sip and swirl and you kissing on me. A really cute pink dress. Cause the next round's on me. We can we go snooping? We can we go? It's go time. Yeah, it's go time. Love, Bonito. Can we go crazy? We can we go? It's a regular dress that you can wear casually. I love their dresses. I wanna show you off. Watch you pull the stick and so that's pretty much it for my unboxing video. I hope you guys had fun as much as I did. So until my next video, bye. If you're down to ride, you can hit me up.